So I'm reading Atma Bodha by Adi Shankaracharya. It's a very old book written in the 8th century. And I've been sharing some shorts about some key takeaways, my humble opinion, my humble takeaways of the book. I've been reading that already for a while, and I found it quite practical, at least to me, to my practical daily life situation. And I would like to continue sharing that. And the third part, the third takeaway that I would like to share here is the identification gap, which I call here like the blue light filter. This is something that I created. And and he talks about how sometimes we are stained by our surroundings. Sometimes we lack of proper discernment to arrive to a healthy non-attachment because that requires a little bit of mental strength. That requires a little bit our brain hemispheres properly switch and the frontal lobe take control of everything. Uh, so imagine that you have a clear glass of water on the table, and then you put near that glass of water some red flour or any kind of red cloth around, or any kind of red or blue or any kind of color object. Then by mistake, we think probably from the distance that glass of water is red, that glass is blue, but it's not. The water might look red, for example, blue or yellow or something like that, but we are not that. So it's the same thing with this analogy. We might try to fix the water to make it clear again. Sometimes we change it and we put another water, second, third water, then we still see that this absorbing, is getting stained by that color. But the water here isn't the problem. It is the table underneath or the object around or anything that is close nearby. So the same thing with our moods, the same thing with our thoughts. Sometimes we have a stressful day, and then immediately we affirm, we confirm, we state, "I am a stressed person." But you're not. You are just the clear water sitting on the red table, or sitting nearby the blue color of a stressful day, or a tiring day, or a very challenging day. Shankara then in this book is, is wanting us to stop trying to fix the color and just realize that you are the amazing, beautiful, wonderful, kind-hearted, amazing, positive, beautiful person. You are that clear water, not that color that is just a reflection. Once we see that, according to Atma Bodha in this book, then the stress, in this case stress, it could be anything else, lose control over us.